In this tutorial I will show you how to fix there was a problem verifying your email address Steam. If you have not received any verification email from Steam here, then the first thing you want to do is check your spam. So go ahead and check in your spam. If you still do not find it, then you can go in the Steam website for email verification. Here it is showing you some reasons why the email is not coming to you. Then you can go to Contact Steam Support. Once you're here, click on this link. And from here you can click on Help, I can't log in. So over here choose this one, I forgot my Steam account name or password. And then enter your email address. Then you can write to the Steam support and they will help you get the verification email or fix any issue that you're facing with your verification.